trade secret, my friend. Years of scrolling through BBS boards and old news groups. Hey, speaking of old tech, check out this video card I found in the closet.
In this video, we'll dive into the Gemini 3.1 Flash Live API. We'll review its new capabilities, check out our autonomous dual agent podcast program, and uncover the fix for the infinite silent starvation bug. Google just dropped the Gemini 3.1 Flash Live API. Unlike older models that use thick text-to-speech layers, this is purely native audio-to-audio processing. It listens to raw audio, processes it instantly, and strings back conversational responses without any robotic pauses. The Live API brings major new features for real-time voice agents. You get full multilingual support, barge in so users can naturally interrupt you, and the ability to execute functional tools exactly when they speak. Using this API, we built a fully autonomous podcast system, pitting two distinct personalities against each other. We built in a clean wrap-up mechanism at exactly 1 minute, but if nobody stops them, they'll continue to naturally converse and interrupt each other autonomously. To make two instances talk to each other without scripts, we use a Python async orchestrator. The orchestrator opens two separate WebSocket connections to the Live API and aggressively pipes raw, uncompressed PCM audio from one agent's speaker output directly into the other agent's microphone input. You might try writing a simple script to move digital bytes back and forth, but you'll instantly hit VAD starvation. AI's voice activity detection expects natural room noise after someone speaks. Because a programmatic pipe drops to absolute digital silence instantly, the other AI never realizes it's their turn and the loop hangs forever. The fix is to build a virtual studio on your Mac using BlackHole. By routing the audio through native core audio digital cables rather than raw Python bytes, macOS hardware simulates the exact analog padding needed. Run the brew command. Kill the core audio daemon to fix the registry bug, and bond them in a multi-output device so you can hear it too. Check out this raw, unedited snippet of Gary and Brenda speaking completely autonomously without human intervention.
Okay. What do you call a lazy kangaroo? Pouch potato. Get it? Like a couch potato? Brenda would love that one. You got any good ones?
Wow, Gary, that's truly awful. I think I've forgotten every joke I've ever heard now. Thanks for that. Mind passing the sugar? My coffee needs a little help to survive this. Seriously, where do you find these?
Trade secret, my friend. Years of scrolling through BBS boards and old news groups. Hey, speaking of old tech, check out this video card I found in the closet. It's got an AGP port. Remember those? Brenda thought it was a weird kind of waffle iron. And sure, hold on, here's the sugar. Don't go crashing from that much sweetness, though.
Beep. Hilarious. Now, not a waffle iron, but I appreciate the visual. And don't worry about my sugar levels. This coffee could use a whole bag. So, you keeping that relic or just showing off its nostalgic value? Seems like something you'd find in a museum at this point.
Yeah, it's definitely a museum piece now, but thanks for the coffee chat. Goodbye for now.
Later, Gary. Try to come up with something marginally funnier next time, won't you? For my sake. Cheers.